How many days do we take to learn spoken English? Guys, this is the common question asked by everyone, that how many days or what is the duration required to learn spoken English? Guys, I want to give you the real answer of this. It depends person to person. Like some person learn this in a few days, within a month. Some students take 2 month, 3 month, even some students take more time. It depends on your practice and how you are learning spoken English, and what is your source to learn spoken English. So it is not fixed to like for everyone. It depends on person to person, that what duration they are taking, how many days or what is the time they are taking to learn spoken English. So simply it depends on the person, that in how many days or what the time are they taking to learn spoken English. So if you want to learn fluent English, English speaking, then you must do lots of hard work. You must practice so much, and in within a month you can start speaking good English. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.